Hey guys, this is MSB and welcome to our YouTube channel, MSB Talks. If you watched my previous video, means you'll get to know that it's been 3.5 months since I posted my last video, and also the first video of this YouTube channel. There's no reason like I have some busy schedule kind of things, nothing like that. I didn't stuck in a busy schedule and all. I have some online classes, but that is not the reason. The reason is my laziness. I'm very lazy. Right? Just because I haven't even posted any video with these many reels. So I have to do something. Uh, I've started it, so I have to continue this. That's why I'm recording this video. This is my second video. Um, Today I'm going to talk about advice. The topic of this video is why do people advise others? Let's get into this video. Uh, yeah, first I would like to tell this famous statement in the pop culture. Yeah, like I think everybody have heard this one. Okay, like world's best advice is don't advise others. Oh my God, it was stupid, right? Who are you to give me this fucking advice, man? Yes, this is one of the most dumbest statements I've ever heard in my life. Like, okay, I'm just asking this to that guy who told this, right? If advising a bad thing means, then why are you giving me this best advice? Who are you giving me this best advice, man? What? Who are you the fucking who gave you the fucking rights to give me this fucking advice, man? It was very stupid, man. It was very stupid. And first thing I would like to tell the guy, the giver, the guy the giving it, right? Yeah. Um, you can advise people. You can obviously advise people, right? But how we advising him? In which thing we advising him? Okay. For example, if you're good at maths, means if the guy named A is good at maths, means he scored a 90 or something by using a formula, by following a pattern. Okay, he can obviously give advice to the guy named B. Okay, you just follow this. Even if the guy B asked him or didn't even ask him or whatever, he can give advice to him by showing this proof that I used this formula and I scored 90 plus or something like that, or more than that, by using this formula. So why can't you give it a try? Yeah, he that is a huge amount of chance that uh, that is a huge there's a lot of chance for the guy named B to try this. Okay, because he'll definitely try this. Why? Because someone is succeed by using this formula. Okay, so you having a proof. Yeah, so that is a risk, but it is a very less risky one. But if you are didn't even succeed, but you followed a formula, okay, but you didn't even succeed in that. But you're just giving advice to the guy named B. Yeah, I followed this formula and I didn't succeed. That why can't you give it a try? Maybe you can succeed in that. It is 20% good, 80% bad. Yeah, 80 no, it is a very high risky thing. Yeah, it's a very risky thing to do that. So that is a proof of unsuccessful thing. Someone tried it and he failed in that. It's a proof of a failure. How can the guy will try if someone failed in that thing? He didn't even think of doing it right. That that is really a risky thing to do. And I have to tell one more thing to the receiver and the guy from the receiver end. Yeah, just if you want to follow advice, you want to get some advice. If someone is advising you, if you want to give it a try means, you want to give it a try to that advice means. If you want to try that advice means, you have to think a lot. Like if whether it work or not, kind of dilemmas. You have to go through these kind of dilemmas and all. And more than that, if you have a proof means you can try. Other than that, just think a lot. Just think a lot to try that. I'm not saying don't try if you didn't even have a proof of a success. Okay, if someone didn't even have a proof of success, but you just giving advice means I'm not saying you don't try those kind of things on. Just try, but think a lot after then. Think a lot. Yeah, after that, then give it a try. If you really like this video, just hit the like button and then share it with your friends. If you really enjoyed it, share it with your friends, and then if you want to see something, uh, just write something in the comment section. And if you didn't even subscribe to our channel, do subscribe. Then follow us on Instagram at MSB Talks. And